Hey guys, this is Adesh, a hustler just like you. So you have started your new business and you are having trouble in getting your first client. Guys, I was in the same situation. I know, I understand how it feels when you call everyone in your contacts, when you call your friends, your family, your relatives, everyone, and you tell about your product, how good is your product, and really your product is good. But guys, as you are a newbie, or for any reason they say a big no for your product. I know how it feels. The similar things happened with me when I started my financial advisory business, guys, but I overcame it in a very short period of time. I done the same things. I called everyone and told about my product and I told to buy from me. But guys, everyone was saying that yes, we will see, and I was getting a indirect no from every one of them. So guys, what I did, I used a very effective strategy. So I'm gonna share with you the exact strategy which I used, through which I got 70 clients, guys, 70 clients in just 2.5 months. And guys, this was huge for me. This gave a huge start to my business, and of course, after that, I started getting referrals from that clients. So I know that getting the first few clients is very important. After that, your service, your good behavior gets you more and more clients and referrals. Guys, I started calling my friends and family again. But at this time, I did a different thing. I called them and said them, "Hey, I'm Adesh and I have started this new business and I want you to refer me to someone else who needs my product. So I'm a financial advisor and I want you to refer me to someone who needs financial planning." And at this time, they didn't say that we will see, or they didn't say no. They said, yeah, of course. And this was my first step. After some time, guys, when I made a diary. I had a goal to call 10 people at one day. I called 10 people every day, and eventually I started getting referrals. Guys, this is a psychology. You must take into account that when you ask someone to buy the product directly from you and you are a newbie, they will never buy from you. But when you ask them to give a referral, they will ask about your product. Then you will you will give them the knowledge about the product and tell them how the product is important, or how the product is useful for them as well as the your target client. And in this way, they like your knowledge, or at least they listen to you, so that there is a probability when someone talks about that particular topic. So I have called my friend, say Ram. Hey Ram, I have started my business as a financial advisor and I want you to refer me to someone else who needs financial planning or financial advisory services. Then he says me, so yeah, but what are you offering, what are your products, what do you do, how will you help different from more other people's. So I told about the values I am offering, the values I am giving to them, and yeah, he got impressed with me. And the one thing which you need into mind that sorry, the one thing which you have to keep in your mind, that your product must be good. Yeah, choose a product sorry, choose a product which is really good. You believe in your product, you have confidence in your product, and 100% this strategy will work. I called him and eventually I got a client from him. And yes, after that client, I give him the best service which I could give at that time. And yes, I got referrals from the clients. And now I am proudly saying that I have a family of 150 plus clients. Guys, this is the power of networking, but you have to use it wisely. Just do one thing. Call your friends, family, and tell them to give references. Don't tell them to buy your product. And eventually, you will see that the family members or the friends on to which you are calling, they will also end up buying the product from you, because by using this strategy, they will at least listen to your knowledge and they will see your work, And when someone sees your work, they get interested in you. And yes, by getting interested in you, there is a strong probability that they become your client. Just do one thing, call everyone and tell them, if you see a target customer, if you see a client which you think you could refer to me, give me the reference. This is the simple step, guys. So if you are going to use this step in your business, just comment down in the comment section, say yes, say a big yes, that yes, I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna get my first client and flourish like anything. So for getting more knowledgeable stuff, just subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And also make sure to follow me on Instagram and LinkedIn, where I am posting regularly and you will get a lot of value out of there. Right, guys? So have a nice day, have a nice week, have a nice year, and have a nice life. So love you all.